Hi guys, it's your girl Gigi Mizik. Today you're gonna get ready with me. I'm going to a bowling alley with my daughters and husband, and I decided to pick a little outfit. You let me know if you think it was cute or not. So this is my first get ready video. I hope to hear your feedback. Alright, I love you. So I decided to get this little one piece, and I'm going to mix it up with one of my favorite jackets because I love it. I really love the color, and I will see like if you guys like it or not. And if you do enjoy my get ready videos, I will do more. So make sure you show me the love. If you like it, I'm gonna make more of get ready videos for you guys. All right. And for those who are new to my channel, welcome. I'm happy you're here. And please like, share, follow, subscribe. I would love to see you more. And you don't want to miss my next videos because they're going to be fun. I'm a fun girl. I'm not boring at all. So you're going to have a good time with me. Stay with me. And today is a bowling day for me. I'm taking the kids out. So I hope you guys enjoy the final look. And let me know if there was one thing or two you guys would have done differently. Let me know. But otherwise, I love the look. I'm happy with the way it's turning out. And please hit the buttons, hit all my buttons, and enjoy. Thank you. Hey guys, another thing, I did my own hair and makeup, and I picked my own outfit. I think I did good. Yeah, I think I did good. Thank you for staying this long with me. I know it's my first time and I'm still learning this role. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Again, this is Gigi Music. I can't wait to see you again. Please give me a comment below. Let me know what you want to see next. I love you.